In this video, I'm gonna do a review on the Sirui 3T35 tabletop tripod. Let's open it up. So basically this is the tripod and some Allen key and a little bit replacement right here. But today we're gonna focus on the tripod itself. It feels good in hand, it's very smooth and it feels good quality. It's very smooth, the legs, and easy to grip. Put it down and you turn this one and it will be like this, can stand on the table. It's good. And you can unlock it, it'll come back. You can either using it like this or you unfold the leg and using like this, give you a little bit more room extension. And furthermore, you can open this one. You see? Now you got really long extension. And it still feels sturdy. Let's check the head. This is the big knob. It can lock the ball, also lock the pen. So if I lock it, you cannot change the degrees. Unlock it, you can change the degree and you can change the ball. And this is our car Swiss compatible, so it's good. It's working good for other ball heads. So the biggest reason I bought this tripod is the extra extension. So when I'm using this one, it's good, it's sturdy, but my arm is just not long enough. Sometimes when I do vlogging, I feel like just not enough room. Just face is too big. My face is full of the screen. So I try some other ways, like buying the little tripod extension, like the bar, but it doesn't just screw on. Sometimes using camera, the camera is heavy, and if the screw is a little bit loose, the camera will flip. It's a little bit dangerous for the heavy camera. So I was looking for a better, like good extension, longer tripod. But most of them are really cheap made. I mean that if you put the camera on, you don't feel safe. But for this one, I feel this is way better. I will put my camera on to show you how this one works. You basically can see that from my arm and to here, I got about a meter distance. So if you do normal vlogging, that's overkill. But you can always unscrew this. Just to make it shorter. I think this distance is the best for vlogging. You can control it and the distance is just right. So I just put my camera on, and if I'm only using this extension, let's see how this works. So now I'm like doing normal vlog, and I think this is good. Even a little bit too far away, I think I can still like hold it tighter. But if I'm using this one, this lens, you see, if I'm holding here, just means the camera is right here. And if I'm doing this feels like a little bit too short for me. I think sometimes I need people see the background. So, and if I really need some distance, I can do it like this. You see, I'm almost reaching the camera. And if I'm doing this, you can see a big background. And I like it. I really like the extra lens for me to control what distance I need. Or even I can do this, right? And it's even more comfortable. I think you see the camera is under control, right? You can run and you can jump, no problem at all. And this is one, if you do vlogging using some heavy cameras and you need some more distance, I highly recommend. This is the best tripod for extension and integrity for one piece. It doesn't need any extension at all. So I think if you want to do vlogging, you need some more distance. I think this is a good stuff. You should try it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.